Hey guys, Becki-licious here, and today I'm going to show you how to make the cutest, funnest Easter cupcake around. So come on, let's get started. Before we get started on the first step of this very fun and very cute Easter cupcake we're going to make, I hope you stick around for the end of this video because I'm going to show another fun Easter dress that I'm thinking about wearing for Easter Sunday, okay? All right, we're going to throw in all of our dry ingredients, which is our flours. We have regular flour and whole wheat flour. Got baking powder, cinnamon, ginger, a little bit of salt, a little bit of baking soda. And then we've got some ground allspice and some nutmeg. So we're throwing all of that together and we're going to get this all whisked up and then we're going to start on our next section. All right, the next step for these Easter cupcakes is the brown sugar. We've got regular sugar. And we've got a couple of eggs. Get these cracked in here. 1 and 2. And then a little bit of vanilla. There we go. So we're going to get this all mixed up till it's all ready to go. All right, so now we are going to alternate adding in our dry ingredients and then the grated carrots, which the grated carrots have been soaking in some buttermilk. So we're going to start with the carrots, blend it up, and then we're going to add flour. You get the gist of it. All right, so we have got our carrot cake cupcake batter is all ready to go. I'm going to grab my muffin tin and we're going to start getting these scooped up. But before I do that, I would love to say how much I appreciate all of the love and support I'm getting from you guys. So on that note, don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your friends, and click on that link me for some other fun stuff. All right, so we've got our cupcake tin. And I'm going to throw in, now I'm not doing super fancy cupcake liners because of the way they're going to be decorating this, which is why they're so cute and fun. So you'll have to wait and see how those are going to be. And I'm also not certain how many I'm going to get out of this because I just did half of a recipe. So we'll see how many cupcakes we get. I'm going to make sure they're all nice and full though. I want nice full cupcakes. Oh, yum. These carrot cake cupcakes are ready to go in 350-degree oven. They're going to cook for probably about 20 or 25 minutes or so. So I'll see you back here in a bit. Our carrot cake cupcakes have been in the oven for 25 minutes, and I know they're done because I can smell them. Oh, they smell heavenly. Oh my goodness. And they're not even decorated yet. That's the amazing part. So there we go, but we will check them just to be on the safe side. I mean, we've got these handy dandy little, see, look at that. All right, so these, of course, have to cool completely before we can get to our decorating aspect. Right, our carrot cake cupcakes are all nice and cooled, so it's time to decorate. So let's get started. Before we get started decorating this, we have to get our Easter grass, which is coconut. Put it in a little baggie, and you're just gonna add some green food coloring. I love doing this because it's just so much fun. I feel like a kid. I'm going to take this and we're just going to mix it around so we get green. All right, here we go. So this is just cream cheese frosting, obviously, because this is carrot cake. You have to have cream cheese frosting. You don't need a whole ton of it because we're going to be decorating it. So we're just going to get this on here, and it doesn't have to be fancy because it doesn't matter what the frosting looks like. Okay, and then we are going to sprinkle a little bit of our Easter grass on here. How fun is that? Okay, now we need our little bitty licorice. We're going to get these poked in there as best we can. See our little Easter basket handle. And then our Easter eggs. I try to do different colored ones. So you got, there's a green one. Oops. How fun is that, right? And a yellow one. And a blue one over here next to the pink one. And a purple. Look at that. How fun is that? See, it's a little Easter basket. See, I told you they would be totally cute. I wasn't lying, was I? They're too cute. All right, so before you leave me, I need to try on one of my Easter dresses. So let's do it. So, what do you think? Is this a cute dress for Easter? I don't know. We'll see. So there you go. Thanks for joining me making fun and cute Easter carrot cake cupcakes. I hope you guys had a good time because I know I did. I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye.